Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you how to transform this into an article. So, Control A in order to select all. Go to Format, Columns, and let's do 2 columns. Now, this still looks really big. Let's take the spacing and bring it down to single. If it lets this work. Perfect. And I have it at 11-point font. I think that 12 is a little big. Oh, that jumped to 13. And the other thing that is going to help is I'm going to reduce the margin size. So let's bring it down to 11. And we'll go to File, Page Setup. And we'll change the 1-inch margins to 1/2-inch margins. Here. Okay. Now you can delete some of this stuff. I know you're in my class. So let's just think about how this might actually look if we were writing a magazine or designing a magazine. We'd probably put the stuff right here. And maybe it would say something like, written by Jane Doe or something. And then we want this to be bold. And we want it to be bigger. That looks better, right? It looks a little bit like a magazine. You can keep your page numbers. You can go in and add. I wish there were headers in this. So, if it were more something like this, Control B. So places where there are actually different sections. And then the other thing that you can do is insert a picture in different places. So maybe something could go here. You're going to get to see my pictures right now. Insert image. We'll upload from my computer. A picture of my baby in this article. Now that kind of turned out funky. Let's get it more. There you go. And I think you can add to a caption. Does it say that we can add a caption? Let's see. No, but I can always do that just down here. Just so you can say what source it comes from. Whatever. In an article, you'd see a little tag under an image. But this kind of just dresses it up and makes things more interesting. Something else you could do just to play with is insert a horizontal line. Perhaps. There we go. Just to kind of keep things pretty. Yeah. And sometimes articles have like an end of article symbol. So you can insert, let's see, special characters. And you could do, let me see if there's a black square. Oh, let's do, oh, there it is. Something like that. Have you ever seen that? Where we know that the article's over because there's a little dot? Okay. You're also welcome to go in and do things like insert. It usually shows it right here. Add a space after the paragraph, just to give it a little bit of breath room. So even if you're using single spacing, it might be smart to give it a little bit of extra space after paragraphs. Okay, these are just a few things that you can play with to ultimately make your article more beautiful and ready for publication.